Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. Well, people, we finally got it confirmed by the FCC that the new name of the new smartwatch is coming from Samsung will be called the Galaxy Watch. We knew that, we expected that, we are not surprised at that at all, right? But what we do need to talk about is one, it will be coming with LTE. Of course, two, it will have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, right? Gotta have Bluetooth. Now look forward to that from probably Sprint, T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon. Nothing's written down as to how that's gonna come about, but that's not even what I wanna really get into right now. I do wanna talk about what's most important, and that is the size and the dimensions of this smartwatch. Now it's going to be bigger. If you look at the dimensions, it's going to be bigger than that of the Gears 3, right? It's going to be bigger in size, and it's also going to be reminiscent to that of the Gears 2, which means that the display is going to be small. It's going to be a 1.2 inch display, which is the very same size of the Gears 2 and the Gears Sport, because the Gears 3 is a 1.3 inch display. So this smartwatch is going to be bigger. I don't know how I feel about that with a smaller display but a bigger smartwatch. Now my question is it going to be a thinner smartwatch? Because we already know that the Gears Sport, the Gears 2 is a beefier smartwatch. So that's my hope right now. But listen, hit me in the comment section below, because I would like to know your thoughts on whether this will deter you from getting it, depending on the dimensions and the size and the display, or does it not make a difference because you need to upgrade? You're gonna buy the smartwatch anyway, you're team Samsung, you're going all the way like myself, because I am gonna buy it regardless of the size, because it is time for me to upgrade. But I would love to know your thoughts on this one. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think. All right, and that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And as always, people, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.